नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय माता दी, Hare Krishna. In this video, we are going to learn triplicity of anything. In astrology, we must learn that this Shakti, Adi Shakti, converted to two part duality, Purush, Prakriti, and then these two are connected with amazing energy that is Mercury, Vishnu, and this third energy is creating triplicity in everything. In everything means everything, like Vat, Pitta, Kapha, Rajas, Sattva, Tam, and Yantra, Mantra, Tantra. Everywhere you will find in horoscope, you will find that there is something first house, fifth house, ninth house. These are also triplicity, and present, past, future, this is also triplicity. Everywhere you will find triplicity. So what is the third energy connecting these two parts, past and future? This is present, and this comes from Mercury. This comes from consciousness, from Lord Vishnu. So this is going to explain about this trident, okay, and it is all because of the mind quality. First of all, I should worship, and I am bowing myself to Ma Shakti, Adi Shakti, to bless me to explain everything in quite deep understanding. Okay, so I already explained about previous explanation about the Ma Shakti, crown chakra, and this energy converted to two part polarity. There is a separate video on polarity, last video. Okay, and polarity in everything, day, night, good, bad, and plus, minus, yin, yang, and male, female, everything is already explained. Now these two polarity are connected with third energy. This is called triplicity, and this is called connecting energy. In astrology it is Mercury. In Tridev, Vishnu are connecting through his Maya. And now we will explain little more here. I explained Ardhanarishwar form, Shakti form, Purush Prakriti, man, woman, day, night, everything. And in sign, all odd sign are male, even sign are female. Every house has first 15-degree male, second 50-degree female. So I explained. Kal Purush already explained, and in every particle it is explained. Kal Purush, it's the universe, it's Lord Vishnu had. You can see here, and I will explain through pen that here. Kal Purush, Aries, it's actually, this is Aries sign. In cyclic form, all the sign are around the earth, and Aries is the head of Vishnu. Taurus is that face, then 3 Gemini, and up to here Cancer here. So these 12 parts are in a cyclic form. Okay, so we are going to understand triplicity. So in last video I have explained duality of Ida, Pingala. Now Sushumna is taking part here. Okay, and duality is Ida, Pingala, triplicity is Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Sushumna is third energy, it is Mercury, it is Vishnu, it is connecting energy, it is communication, it's a Chetana, it's higher Chetana. Okay, and heart, brain, man, woman, in between there is a communication. If good communication in between man and woman, then both will always be quite comfortable. Heart and mind between, it is a communication. In astrology, communication means Mercury. So this video is particularly for understanding triplicity through astrology. And you know that a creator, preserver, destroyer. So preserver is actually connecting these two energy. One is creating, one is destroying. Destroying is not just to destroy, it is actually transformating. For example, you got something and you modified something after some time. So modification is something, a transformation that is done by Shiva. And preserver means maintaining it, maintaining that thing. Okay, for example, we got a house, we preserved it for 20-50 years, then we modified it, Okay, that is our understood, and 100% you will understand that I want to explain it. Okay, now next is, okay, now coming to next point, that triplicity is already clear up to here. Next, coming to ohm. Okay, triplicity is of ohm, uh, that you know, a, u, ma, these are three part of ohm. Ohm is the first energy, and then divided into a, u, means these two energy are actually yin yang, positive negative, and all three connected became the ohm. So ohm is explained in this, I will share it later. Triplicity of God explained already, and triplicity of energy flow of life I explained about. Rahu Ketu, these are the two end of our mind, and these two end are actually you know that Ketu, Rahu. Ketu takes our mind towards spirituality, reality of life, truth of life, to upside. Rahu is down here, mind is in between. It's like a prism, and sun giving energy to mind through prism, and it's converted seven colors. So how much beautiful this color is depending upon our mind. It's a medium. So mind is medium, you can say it is the third triplicity, but mind, moon is working through help of Mercury. Mercury is communicator. If a person is having good speaking power, good communication, it will connect the person through good things in life. So it is very important part of life, communication. So coming to the next, Kalpurush explained already, triplicity of mind. As I told, this universe is giving energy through sun. It is like a super conscious mind. I you know, model of consciousness beyond time space continuum. Super conscious mind is actually timeless. Timeless means your soul is timeless. Timeless means since many birth it is there, and it is just taking form to new birth. And conscious mind, in this birth we are collecting, doing something, creating kriman karma, collecting for the next birth, and it is creating a new prarabdha for the next birth. So conscious mind is about our senses, subconscious is about our process, and superconscious is the master, processor, and action taker. These are three triplicity. Okay, triplicity of matter. Every matter has transformation three phases, same way. Okay, that you know already. Trident energy in astrology, simply invisible, visible, these two energy connected with Mercury media. Okay, electron has consciousness, chetana. In electron, you know that proton is positive, electron is negative. In between, neutron, that is Mercury, neutron is Mercury, it is creating a balance between electron and proton. That's why an atom is existing. Triplicity of horoscope. In a horoscope of 12 houses, you know, first house, fifth house, ninth house, this is triplicity, trikon, the best form. You know that fifth house is past, ninth house is future, and one is the present. Present, past, future, this is triplicity. Okay, and all the sign, 12 sign are, and these are also divided in triplicity, like Aries 159, this is a fire sign. Okay, this is triplicity. One is physical, 5 is mental, 9 is spiritual. Another triplicity, 2, 6, 10, that is earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This triplicity is actually 2 is physical, possessiveness, Virgo is mental, Capricorn is spiritual. Now coming to the third is triplicity, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A Gemini is physical, thought, and this you know that Libra, it's a second form, means simply air sign are three: physical, mental, spiritual. That I will explain in detail later. triplicity of daily walks, feeling, mind, process, body phases. Means you have any feeling from here, mind process that feeling, and body takes action. It is a triplicity. Any idea first comes here, it process here in mind, and action takes by hand. This is first house, this is fifth house, and this is ninth house, our hands. Okay, we are taking action. First, fifth, ninth. Triplicity of Tridosh. Vat, Pitta, Kapha. Means any joint pain is Vat, digestion system Pitta, and Kapha is something here. So this is also triplicity, and it has a connection with all this triplicity. I will explain later. Mantra, Tantra, Yantra. Tantra means spirit, mantra means mind, yantra means physical, physical, mental, spiritual. This is yantra, mantra, tantra. Tantra is spirit, that is that our soul. Okay, triplicity of anything, why of anything, how of anything, what of anything. Why is here, that is that some idea, and how it's planning, what is action, result. There are three most influential positive inborn qualities: master, administrator, and common public. This is three phases. That on top it's master, in between it's media, and down below it's a common public. So master is here invisible, media in it's processing all the information from master and putting into the common public. Common public is the final receiver. How this Chetana conscious energy works and flows. I told Satvik, Rajsik, Tamsik. Satvik is actually the giver, Tamsik is the taker, Rajsik is maintainer between the two. It's a master, it's sun, it's giving energy. Mind, it's a manager, receiving energy. Moon is receiving energy. Work, body is taking action. Like triplicity, it is triplicity between three. So these three things always, body, mind, and spirit, always should be in combination. Okay, same explained. Our mind is like subconscious, conscious, and superconscious. Superconscious is this, conscious, subconscious is this, and conscious is this. Means superconscious is our emotions. This is the master. Then the emotions come to the mind. Mind process and plan. It's a subconscious. Then body takes action through the situation. It's a conscious mind. That same thing. This conscious mind is our senses. Subconscious is planning, processing at the back, and superconscious is the soul, the master, the final decision taker. Types of mind we have, I have explained. Sun sends energy. It is sun. Mind is like a prism. It's sending the 7 colors. So these are the something like that. Okay. In hierarchy also, you see that it's something boss is here. It's a sun. It's a manager moon, and this is rest of the planet. Okay. And there are most influence and negative inborn qualities. I explained that body, mind, and spirit, originator, processor, and final actor. Originator, processor, and final actor. These are the three things. Politician, media, citizen, I cleared. Hopefully you understood this video, and surely you can comment your views here so that I can make it better, and hopefully you will understand. Next video we will cover more interesting topic, and it will help you to understand astrology in future.